What up YouTube? It's me, Kevin, and it's been a minute, so let me catch you up real quick. I got my drone license, got my EMT license. I walked the Grand Canyon from rim to rim. It's about 25 miles, took about 11 hours. I got a new logo, check it. And it is No Shave November, so the beard's coming in strong, but I'm ready for it to go. My hair, glorious, has not seen a pair of scissors in quite a few months. And we got an auto. We got a freaking auto. Let's go. Now, I am obviously still learning this press, so I don't know everything about it, but what I do know is that this 15-inch touchscreen is super nice. It makes a lot of sense on how it operates. It's got a big play button to let you know to tell the machine to carry on its way and continue with the next shirt. It has a step back mode where it will print, flash, and then come back to the original underbase and print again. So there's your white printing twice. I don't use that mode too much. I just burn another screen. Makes things a little faster. The laser system. It has a laser system right here in front of you. I do find myself hitting this every now and then and having to readjust my lasers, but it's not that hard because obviously I have the template that I have printed on my pallets that I've been using since pretty much the day of time. And if you don't have a template on yours, there will be a link in the description. Go buy it. It's only $5. It will help you out with your prints and locations. You'll never mess up a print again, location wise. Another thing I like about the touchscreen is the fact that it swivels. So if I'm on head number 7, I can grab it and just move it over to head number 1, number 4, whatever screen I'm trying to line up at the time, and it just rotates and moves according to where you need it to be. Super nice. It's just on that little boom arm, you can see, and it just goes around the whole press. Another nice feature that this press has, and you have to get it in the awkward sizes. When I say awkward size, like 7, 9, 11, whatever it is, this head will pick up. So it's on a little pivot back here in the back, and this allows you to have a station that can load and unload, or it can be down so that you have a 7-head system. Picking it up obviously makes it a 6-head system, but now you have 2 people that can operate the machine as opposed to 1 person operating it the whole time. Setting where your squeegee goes and where your flood bar goes is super simple. They have these nice little micro movable sensors, and then once you set it to wherever you need it to, you can move it forward. The light will come on. You can see the light. That lets it know to stop the squeegee or stop the flood bar, depending on which way you're going. There's another one back here in the back. So you set it. So if I'm doing a chest, it doesn't have to print the entire pallet. It can just print that 4-inch section. Same thing with the back. I'll move it back when I'm doing a bigger piece, so it prints a longer stroke. Turning the press on is super simple. It's just a matter of twisting that knob and then pressing the power button on the touchscreen. I love the warm-up mode that this thing has. So I'll press pallet warm-up, and I think it's set to like 4 seconds. So it will go underneath the stamp and warm up the pallet, and then it will go over to the flash. Just rotates every 4 seconds. You can walk away, come back. You can set it to only do 100 rotations, 30 rotations, however many you think it needs. One thing I have a love-hate relationship with, and that is the side clamps. The one downside is that there's not like knobs, and I wish there were knobs on the the front and the back to lock it down. Instead, they have this little handle that locks the screen in place. Works well. Like once you clamp it on, it's there. The only issue is that you'll clamp one side, and then when you clamp this side, it like adjusts the registration ever so much that it throws it off almost every time. There are ways around it. You just got to kind of twist this knob and treat it as if it has knobs. That's kind of how I've been getting around it, but it's something I'm still learning. I'm still playing with it. But this right here, this is a love-hate relationship right here for sure. This right here is the biggest learning curve of this entire machine. The micro system also throws me off a little bit because in the Vastex that I had, it had 2 micros in the back and 1 on the side, where this one has 2 on the side and 1 in the front. So it's kind of backwards from what I was doing. So it takes a little bit of adjustment to learn the knobs. They're still the same, just a funky, awkward differentness, if that makes sense. But the micros work really well. You can zero them out. They got like a little dial in the middle of them to put them on 0, so you're not wondering if it's going to go too far to the left or right when you go to put the screen in. It's pretty nice. Woo! Ha! So I hope you enjoyed that. That's kind of what I've been doing all of 2023, is learning how to operate that. Had to get a few certifications and traveled a little bit. Enjoyed it. Enjoyed 2023. Hopefully 2024 will be just as generous as 23 was. And I want to thank everybody who has subscribed. I have been away for a hot minute, but I think I'm back. I think things have slowed down enough that we can have a relationship now. So till next time, peace. Not even looking at the camera. Some people that have been doing this long enough will say I'm stupid. Is that everything? I think. Would you look at this? Look at all this.